Okay, I'm going to show you why I can't mow my lawn. This is what a Georgia rainstorm is like. I mean, look at this. It's absolutely pouring. I mean, it's, look at my downspout right here. And then flooding over here. As you can see, I got a real drainage problem. When it rains like this, it floods my front porch and stuff, and it's because the neighbors don't clear their gutter. I've got a real problem straight ahead right there with the drainage, and I've been trying to figure out what I need to do. But look at out there in the street. You can see that it's just pouring. If this rain is, this will cause some flooding elsewhere. I don't know. I mean, we get these, and you'll get 2 inches of rain in an hour on one of these. It's really bad. I mean, everything is just, God, I'm not even going to be able to mow tomorrow because the grass will be still too wet. Anyway, that's it. And this is what happens to my backyard. I have a literal river running down. Tomato plants are right there on the left, right there. And my rose bushes are over here. But I mean, it's like unbelievable. And we've already got 2.5 inches of rain, which is like, what is it? 7 centimeters or something of rain just in this storm. It's unbelievable. Now my floor is all wet.